someone's sad. Okay, somebody is feeling very down. We've got the 5, so they're in personal conflict. This is always the card of someone missing you, but this is also kind of a loss. It could actually be that they've created their own loss here, because that's them putting themselves out in the cold. So maybe something that you had with someone here is now come full circle. Yeah, full circle. So this is where you were in something, you were in a commitment, and they've messed things up with that situation, and now they're in regret. So the losing feeling that they've got is something that they've created themselves. Now, it shows here there's maybe a lot of arguments going on at the time. They could have had an original family that was causing arguments, or an ex, or, you know, an ex-family situation, or just a lot going on there with outside opinions, but from the family unit. So maybe their parents, or just outside voices that created arguments within this connection, and maybe they gave up on it because of that. But you definitely had something solid. They're very nostalgic at the moment, okay? They're looking back, they're thinking about how things were. And you're now in this spot where you're very independent. You have done, I was just going to say you've done some healing, but that is just reminding us that it's taken you a moment to get where you are. So it's not been easy healing from this. And now it's almost like you're swapping roles here with this person. This person's now heading into that as you're kind of winning again, or kind of surviving, let's say. They're now feeling these emotions. There's a high chance this person's going to come in with communication, just so you know. This would be it coming out of the blue. This would be it kind of direct and a bit of a shock to the system for you. We have got the other 8 there as well, which is the blindfolded person. So you won't see this coming. You won't expect this. I do feel like this person is very emotional at the moment, but that's the key to this, at the moment. And I don't know what they did to end up in the spot where they ended things, they changed their mind, they left you, or, you know, however this is separated. I feel as though it was them. So please be mindful going back into it, because look at you here. You're shining nice and bright here. You're in a real good place. Definitely got communication coming in, okay? There's just another clarification that is on its way. And it might make you feel like this. You might not be able to sleep. You might not want to speak to this person at all because you have a new life. But that could actually be the reason why this person's in touch, just in general. As I said, a new life, then the clock was on 222, so just bear that in mind. If you have started over, if you are in a good place, 222 would indicate maybe someone new is coming in into your love life, or if you have someone new already, then it could be that is the right partnership for you, because that's a very nice balance. This person, there's a reason they're in your past, so just bear that in mind. And it just shows here you might find yourself fed up if you do go back into a connection with them, and also in limbo. I would pretty much say that's where this person is now. So the regret is very noticeable here. They've created damage in the connection. Let's just clarify here with the oracle. Wow, that card's trying to fly. So they sabotaged what was a good connection. There was chemistry, it was a nice connection, but they just mess things up sometimes. So just be aware that this person could sabotage again if they get what they want. They're very indecisive, okay? Very kind of back and forth, and that hurts you. It does just show here you have this coming in, someone who's going to reciprocate the feelings, emotions, and time and energy. So hold out for that, or if you're already in that, make sure you protect it when this person comes in, because the person from the past who's in regret has lots of bad habits. And just because they feel like they've got unfinished business doesn't mean that you do.